Let's go.
So if you kill yourself, you got. I have to be your grandma tonight.
Today, Junior.
Oh yeah, by the way, I think I know how you were born. I did your mom last night. I'm kidding.
I'm not.
Okay.
No, my mom's dead. What?
I do not know what this guy is actually saying.
You use your gun to locate a bomb.
Oh my god.
By the way, can I have a good
Oh, he did it!
Thank you for I need 2 more good by the end of today. Thank you.
Yeah.
Drone has located a bomb.
Uh-oh, they have a Mozzie. Alright. Okay, as long as they don't Okay, I'm gonna spawn school. As long as they don't reinforce this wall, we're good. Easy dub.
10 seconds to go.
Who's that bell?
5 seconds before insertion.
Alright, come on. Oh, they didn't reinforce it. Yes.
The bomb's location.
That's it. Easy dub. Maverick, shoot them. Uh-oh. That's not good. Uh-oh. We can't have that. Oh, no. Oh, no. That's not good. Plan B, everybody. That might not work. Shoot. Oh, get pooped on. What the? Bad, bro.
How I shot that Mozzie? Come on.
Oh, that was my teammate. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna stop recording.
I'm running into things.
Oh wait, never mind.
Get out.
Yo, above us.
Vault! Oh my. What is this game? I can't even vault.
Behind you!
Behind you. There we go. Oh, okay, good. I didn't. Yes.
4 eliminated.
Oh, that's not
nice. Wait, so he was concussioned by Ella. Okay, this is actually a little boring. Our teammates aren't talking.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Hold on.
Bless.
Thank you. I sneezed in the video.
What?
I sneezed in the video.
Oh, nice.
This video is definitely going to be uploaded.
Oh yeah.
Protect the bombs.
Okay, let's see what we can do. Alright, so just for meme, I put a suppressor on my gun, so we're gonna see how well this goes. For the meme. For the memes.
For the memes.
For the memes.
The memes.
Op 4 has located a bomb. Be ready for assault. 10 seconds remaining. Down to 5 seconds.
Jammer activated. Welcome back deployed.
Nah.
Bomb located by Op 4.
Hopefully they rush, because
Laying out the welcome mat.
A frost trap.
Ready.
Yeah. Oh, wait. There's a potential.
Alright, video ends here.